Hello and welcome to Apple Keynote channel. In this video, we're going to learn how to make a transparent logo using Apple Keynote. So Apple Keynote is Apple's version of PowerPoint. However, I think it is so much better than PowerPoint, Google Slides. You can do so much more. And what I've found is you can actually use this as an unbelievable graphic design or logo development tool. I think it's better than Adobe Illustrator and Canva. Again, I'll raise this against any competition out there for designing graphic art and logos. So let's see how we can turn a logo into a transparent file with no background. So this is a logo I designed a while ago for this company called Cycle for a Cause. So let's take a look at what this is first, and then we'll see how to make it transparent. Because again, we could screenshot it, but that's going to get this background in the way. Even if we unlock this background and turn it white, it's still going to be a white background. So we want to make this just the bike transparent, all right? So again, this is 3 layers. We got the bike is the base layer, and then this earth over here is actually 2 layers. We got this, and then the circle. So we're going to make this whole thing one transparent image. So what we're going to do first is let's lock our background. So again, I grab it and it just stays locked. It's not going to be a part of anything. So we're going to group these 3 layers into one layer. All right. So I'm just going to select them all, and then I'm going to click group over here. I'm not doing keyboard shortcuts in this video, just so you can see how to do it without the shortcuts. So again, we're going to group. And now, see, it's all one layer. It's all one file. And now all we have to do is one more thing. And so what we're going to do is we're going to copy it. All right, so again, edit, copy. So it's copied our selected file. And now we're going to open Apple's Preview. Again, this is a free thing that just comes on all Apple computers. So again, in the Finder, search Preview. And now see up here, we're in Preview. So all you are going to do is File, New from Clipboard, all right? And this is already a transparent image right here because it took what we copied. So there was just that one layer of the bike and the earth stuff, but we made it one layer, so there is no background to it. This is the same transparency as the alternating gray and white squares. It's no different. It's just the newer way some transparent files are. So again, all you have to do now is name it. So we'll name it Cycle Logo 1. And again, it's saved to desktop. So all right, now we have the file. And all we have to do now, we're going to go File. And now we can export it in Preview. And we can export it to really any file we want. Even if you want to do a print version, you can do a tiff. But if you want to do a PNG, which is the most common transparent file type, you do PNG, save it to desktop. Click Save. Again, the Cycle Logo 1 is what we named it, so we're just going to replace it. And now let's click out. We're on the desktop. Here is the Cycle logo. Again, this is a completely transparent file, and again, you can do whatever you need to with it, but that is how you make a transparent file type using Apple Keynote.